What is quantum sensing? Quantum sensing is a way for bacteria to communicate with chemical signals that are called autoinducers.
But how do bacteria start quantum sensing? Well, every time they replicate, they release chemical signals called autoinducers. Each signal covers only a small micro-inch space, like a small Wi-Fi bubble.
As you can see in the sample on the left, there are few bacteria, so there is not enough signal coverage and the chat is inactive. While in the sample on the right, there is enough signal coverage, so the chat is active when they are all connected. They start coordinating through messages.
There are 3 types of bacteria that use quorum sensing, but we will focus on gram-negative bacteria, which are responsible for E. coli infection, Salmonella, Klebsiella pneumonia, and Pseudomonas infection.
Bacteria communicate through genes,
which are the LuxL that trigger the first autoinducer. LuxR is the one that receives the message from the first autoinductor.
But let's set your aside for a moment and see in action. Let's suppose that Toby has Salmonella.
Inside here, the pathogens have multiplied, and they have set up a base with a satellite that launches chemical signals, which LuxL does. The signals already cover the entire area, and LuxR has already been activated. LosL is a chat that bacteria use to send orders for toxin production and biofilm creation, while LosR receives all orders from LosL. And the bacteria of Salmonella, they begin to build a wall of biofilm. It uses its communication channel, LosL, where they send the messages, and LosR receives them as if they were bacterial radios. The signal spreads. Construction advances. From the immunological city, the good bacteria fire cannons of antibiotics, but the wall is already too strong.
PQSA is a secret group where bacteria decide together how they will carry out coordinated attack.
Deep within the great immunological city, Salmonella bacteria use the secret channel PQSA to coordinate a secret mission to plant biochemical bombs that activate wirelessly.
When the immune government realized this, the Enzima protocol was activated. On top of that, lactosin, when it reaches orbit, begins to cut communications by cutting the lactolane ring of the autoinducers.
RHLL sends a second round of messages. RHLR reads them and adjusts how the bacteria will move.
The enzyme destroys the satellite, causing it to fall on top of the base, while the bacteria inside the base evacuate upon hearing the RHLL code, and RHLR translates the code, forcing them out of the base.